First test on KWO 37. Yes, KWO 37 has joined the roster. Here goes SGX.
Has issued a required weekly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official...
Wow, SGX and LOX's test happened at the same time. Alright, now to PSR and VEF. The public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official National Weather Service. Radios are automatically activated by the phone to warn you of impending weather hazards in southwest Arizona and southeast California. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Yuma and La Paz counties in Arizona and Imperial and eastern Riverside counties in California. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Device. What do you know? My 12-991 did a 6-hour for PSR's test. So, there you go.
This is actually the first time the 991 did a 6 hour, but whatever. Last but not least is VEF at 11:50.
This is the weekly test of the emergency alert system from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada, Northwest Arizona, and Southeast California emergency alert system. The forecast for Boulder Basin.
We did it, guys! 4 required weekly tests from 4 stations from 4 weather forecast offices. We did it, guys! Sucks that this one didn't go off for the VEF or LOX tests, but who cares? We got 4 tests in 4 different stations. That is going to be awesome for me because now I got LOX's test, and so is SGX, PSR, and VEF's test. So today will be a day to celebrate for me. But yeah, we got all 4 tests on KIG 78, WXL 87, KWO 37, and KXI 83. I hope you enjoyed this fantastic video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.